Hi everyone, this is Joanne and welcome to week number 2 of our course. And so this week we are going to be focusing on quality in online courses and also in our online teaching. And so when we begin to think about online quality, we ask ourselves, well, what is quality? And there are different rubrics that are out there. We are going to be using the Online Learning Consortium's scorecards that look at the quality of your course, teaching, and also instruction and practice. But there's also Quality Matters, and many different universities have also created their own rubrics. But let's focus on what we will be doing utilizing the Online Learning Consortium scorecards. And so we're going to be looking at a quality course with our focus on course design, accessibility and ADA compliance, along with universal design, course learning outcomes, course content, assignments, the instructor role, class discussion and engagement, building community, communication, and continuous course improvement. Now, I'm hoping when we looked at that list, you also saw much of what we're going to be discussing throughout our time together. And when we were talking about building a community, communication, class discussion, and engagement, we've already discussed some of that in week 1. Now, in week 2, what you're going to be doing is an assignment that is based on that quality metrics. You're going to review a course that you may have in mind, maybe one that you're revising or one that you're developing. And then you're going to read the article that you've been given. You're going to identify a few areas in your online course where it excels and then those needing improvements. You're going to also reflect on how you would improve your course quality based on the metrics mentioned in the quality metrics and also in that article. But let me show you how you're going to be doing that. We have a choice board here. Choice boards were really used initially by teachers in elementary programs, and of course anything of good quality ends up coming up into higher education. But this follows universal design principles, which I will talk about along with the text that will accompany this particular video. So in choice 1, you can do what's called a collaborative annotation. We're using the annotation tool directly in Canvas. There are other tools. I'll be supplying you with links to those. You can add annotations to the article. You can decide to do a reflection paper, very brief, a reflection based on how you would improve your course quality based on the metrics that are mentioned in the quality metrics and in the article. Or you may decide you want to create a video on this and you want to submit it as either an MP4, which is a media recording, or provide the URL link to the external site. Now, the next thing, we're going to step into our course and take a walk through it so I can show you how that annotation works. So we're in our course, and you will find that there are directions right down here how to add annotations, and then how to submit it, and then how to submit a media recording. However, what I'm going to do, if you're using the annotations, I'm going to include another video for you to show you how to do that. I personally found that the directions were a little confusing for me. But if you click on assignments, what you need to do first is have this article, Back to Basics, Quality in Digital Learning, have this already downloaded onto your computer, because when you come down, you're going to first come down here and you're going to have to upload that file and then follow the directions for how you're going to enter text. And then once you're done, you're going to want to submit the assignment. Now, the directions that I'm going to give you tells you that you need to submit first to get this article here. And then it tells you what to do after that. And so, folks, that's it. Please do have a great week.